Alright, so the very first thing I want to do is basically just go through the bottom half of the sides and back and remove a lot of the bulk, a lot of the weight, using my clippers with the shortest guard possible. So, as you can see, I'm just taking my clippers and I am working my way in an upward manner and then flicking out as I get to the upper half of the sides and back. So, I'm going to carry on cutting the lower half of the sides and back with my clippers all the way from the right side to the back to the left side. Now that I've completed the right side, it is time to do the exact same thing on the left side. So as you can see, I'm just basically doing the exact same thing, taking my clippers, working my way in an upward manner. As I get to the upper half of the sides and back, I basically just scoop out. Now I've got my trimmers in my hand, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way around the head using my trimmers, cleaning up the outline all the way around the haircut. So, starting here on the right side, working my way around the ear, then the neck, then I'm going to work my way to the left side. Now that I've used my trimmers to clean up the outline, it is now time to get my clippers again and just erase any of the lines that the trimmers may have made. So I've got my clippers in my hand. As you can see, I do not have the guard on my clippers, and I'm simply using that lever on the side to adjust the blade so that I can easily go through and erase any of the lines that the trimmers made. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to blend in the top with the sides and back. And the way I do that is I, one, hold the hair through my fingers and work my way around the head, and two, I will do some scissor over comb. we are now going to cut the top. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight up, holding my fingers in a square position, and basically cutting the top nice and square. So we've come to the end of another haircut. I've got some pomade in my hand, and I'm just brushing that pomade through my hair just to style and give the hair a little bit of hold. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And like always, once again, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.